Oxygen. I was trying to save most of the gases until after I get my portable Tesla coil and can make them light up. That's okay. Oxygen finds itself atop Group 16, the chalcogen group, and it's joined by sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, and possibly the synthetic element livermorium. It melts at minus 361.8 degrees Fahrenheit, and it boils at minus 297.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite being a colorless gas, in its other states, oxygen is the same color as a blue raspberry slushy. So this is what oxygen looks like, in case anyone didn't know. So anyway, that's a sample of pure oxygen. The air we breathe is only about 21% oxygen. It's mostly nitrogen with about 1% argon. The rest is CO2, neon, helium, methane, and trace amounts of other gases. Oxygen's uses, oh boy, where do I begin? It's used in some form by almost every industry, as combining oxygen with something else usually creates some kind of an oxide that alters it significantly. The majority of oxygen used commercially is in the process of smelting iron ore into steel. Portable oxygen is often needed to keep a fire going in environments that lack oxygen. Supplemental oxygen is often given to people with respiratory problems and where people are going into environments that lack oxygen, such as deep-sea diving and spacecraft. Dihydrogen oxide, better known as water, yeah, I'm not going there. I don't want to be here all day. So oxygen was discovered by Carl William Scheele, who discovered many elements in 1771. It is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust at just over 46%. It's the third most common element in the universe at around 1%, and it is the most common element in the human body at around 65%. Though oxygen is needed for survival, there is such a thing as oxygen toxicity. It can happen when you're using supplemental oxygen and taking too much, your lungs can't handle it, they can fill up with fluid, and they may even collapse. So I know I didn't get into too much detail today, but that's because it would take an extremely long time. I hope you learned something anyway, and I hope you like my nice pretty sample of oxygen, and I'll see you next time.